브리트니의 여행일기.
Hey guys, it's Britney. How are you today? In here, it rained, so I feel a little bit gray. But after rain, sunny day going to face to me, so it's gonna be okay. I'm going to San Francisco. I stopped by beach and I'm in communion with animals. They're obviously cute but wild, so I didn't touch them. Now driving 17-mile drive for going to Pebble Beach. Here have beach and golf club too, so I can see wide view. I don't know about play a golf, but if I can play a golf in here, that'll be amazing. Here's so beautiful with nature. Deers are here and some bird sounds makes me feel good. It would be an amazing view if the weather is better than this. It was a long drive to get in San Francisco. Getting closer in downtown San Francisco. I can see beautiful City Hall. Isn't it lovely? Now I can tell I'm in San Francisco because of the up and down road. Hey wait, I'm gonna pass by Golden Gate Bridge. Next destination is the Palace of Fine Art Park. I've never been here. It looks real palace but park. I should photoshoot in here. It looks pretty, so people will photoshoot each other's. Look at the tiny cute little dog. Shall we walk? That building was just beautiful. Bye park, I'll see you again. So now I'm going to Napa and it takes around 1 hour from San Francisco. As you can see, lots of grape trees are there because Napa is famous for wine. That's all grape trees. I finally get in Napa and bought some wine, also pizza as well. Then I drank right away and fell asleep. I was drunk, so I have no more Napa videos. Thanks for watching, subscribe and push the like button. See you soon. Bye.